Why is English important in the world?
English is important because it is spoken in many countries. It helps people from different nations communicate. It is the main language for travel and tourism. It is also the language of science and technology. Learning English opens many opportunities.
How many people speak English worldwide?
More than 1 billion people can speak English. Some speak it as their first language. Many more use it as a second or foreign language. It is one of the most studied languages in the world. That shows its global importance.
Why do students study English at school?
Students study English to connect with the world. It helps them understand books, movies, and the internet. It is needed for higher education. English is also used in many jobs. Learning it gives students a bright future.
Is English important for travel?
Yes, English is very important for travel. Airports, hotels, and restaurants often use English. Travelers can ask for help in English. Many signs and instructions are written in English. It makes traveling easier and safer.
Why is English called a global language?
It is called global because it is used everywhere. People in business, science, and technology use English. It is the common language of international meetings. It connects people from different cultures. That is why it is a global language.
How does English help in getting a job?
English helps workers talk with international clients. Many companies ask for English skills. It shows you can work globally. English gives you more career options. It makes you stand out in the job market.
Why is English important on the internet?
Most websites are in English. Social media also uses English widely. Many online courses are taught in English. English lets you learn and share online. Without English, the internet is limited.
How does English help in higher education?
Top universities teach in English. Many textbooks are written in English. Research papers are often published in English. English helps students study abroad. It gives access to more knowledge.
Why do scientists use English?
Science needs a common language. English is used for research and reports. It helps scientists share ideas easily. Most scientific journals are in English. It makes science open to the world.
How is English useful in business?
English is the language of trade. Companies use it to deal with clients abroad. It helps in writing emails and reports. Meetings are often held in English. Business grows faster with English skills.
Why is English important for technology?
Technology uses English words and terms. Many software programs are in English. Tech companies use English to explain products. Manuals and guides are often in English. Knowing it helps people use technology better.
How does English connect cultures?
English lets people share music and movies. It helps spread ideas from one culture to another. People understand each other better through English. It builds friendships worldwide. It connects traditions and values.
Why is English important for international meetings?
Leaders use English to talk with each other. It helps them avoid misunderstandings. It is the main language in world organizations. Decisions are made in English. That makes it very powerful.
Is English important for medicine?
Yes, it is very important. Medical research is written in English. Doctors use English terms in their work. International conferences are held in English. English saves lives by sharing knowledge.
How does English help in science research?
Scientists write their findings in English. Other scientists can read and check them. It helps discoveries spread quickly. Students can learn from English research papers. This makes progress faster.
Why do movies and songs use English?
Hollywood movies are made in English. Many famous songs are sung in English. People enjoy them worldwide. English entertainment spreads culture. It brings joy to millions.
Why is English important for communication?
It helps people talk across borders. It gives a common way to share ideas. It removes language barriers. English makes the world smaller. It keeps people connected.
Why is English important for pilots and airports?
Pilots and air traffic controllers speak in English. It keeps flights safe. English avoids confusion in the sky. Travelers understand instructions in English. It is the language of flying.
Why do companies want workers who know English?
Companies trade with other countries. They need staff who can speak English. It helps them sell products abroad. English makes workers more valuable. It helps companies grow.
How does English help in tourism?
Tour guides use English with visitors. Hotels use English for guests. Maps and signs are written in English. English helps tourists feel safe. It makes travel easy.
Why is English important for international students?
Many courses are taught in English. Students need it for exams. It helps them join global universities. They can talk to teachers in English. English helps them succeed.
Why do people learn English for migration?
They need English in new countries. It helps them find work. It lets them talk with local people. They can join society better. English gives them confidence.
Why is English important in world organizations?
The United Nations uses English. The European Union also uses it. Peace talks are held in English. English is a bridge for leaders. It is the voice of unity.
How does English help in science and space?
Astronauts use English to talk in space. Space research reports are in English. Scientists from many nations share data in English. It avoids mistakes in space missions. English reaches even the stars.
Why do people call English a second key to success?
It opens many doors in life. It gives better jobs. It helps in travel and study. English makes dreams possible. It is a key to success.
Why is English important for media?
Many newspapers are in English. TV channels use English worldwide. Journalists write in English. News spreads faster in English. People stay informed through it.
How does English help with computers?
Most computer programs use English. Coding uses English words. Instructions are in English. Knowing English helps in IT jobs. Computers and English go together.
Why is English important for young people?
Young people use it on social media. They play games in English. They watch English shows. It makes them smarter. It gives them a modern life.
How does English unite the world?
It gives people a shared voice. It helps solve global problems. It makes trade easier. It builds peace among nations. English unites humanity.
Why is English useful in learning new skills?
Courses online are in English. Videos use English explanations. Skills are taught by English teachers. English opens new knowledge. It makes learning easier.
Why do leaders speak English in meetings?
It avoids using translators all the time. It saves time. It helps them connect directly. Leaders trust each other more. English builds clear talks.
How does English help in science competitions?
Competitions use English for rules. Students present projects in English. Judges understand better. It lets students join global contests. English gives them a chance.
Why is English important in writing books?
Many famous books are in English. Authors share stories in English. It reaches more readers. English books teach lessons. They shape the world.
Why is English important for business emails?
Companies write emails in English. It makes communication simple. It avoids mistakes. Clients feel understood. English emails build trust.
How does English help in peace talks?
Peace talks need clear words. English is used to agree on terms. Leaders understand each other. Misunderstandings are avoided. English builds peace.
Why do scientists publish in English?
It reaches more readers. It makes discoveries global. Scientists get respect. Their work spreads fast. English shares knowledge.
Why is English important in world trade?
Trade contracts are in English. Buyers and sellers talk in English. English avoids confusion. Deals are made faster. It supports world trade.
How does English help in science conferences?
Conferences invite global experts. They use English to share research. Everyone understands each other. Ideas grow stronger. English makes science global.
Why do people learn English for jobs abroad?
Jobs abroad need English. Interviews are in English. Workplaces use English daily. Workers get respect. English helps them succeed.
Why is English important in the military?
Military groups work together globally. They use English commands. English avoids mistakes in missions. It builds teamwork. English keeps peace missions safe.
Why is English important in global sports?
Sports teams use English to talk. Coaches explain in English. Games are reported in English. Fans connect in English. English makes sports global.
How does English help in inventions?
Inventors explain ideas in English. Patents are written in English. It spreads inventions worldwide. Investors understand English plans. English builds innovation.
Why is English important for lawyers?
Lawyers read international laws in English. Courts sometimes use English. It helps in global cases. Contracts are written in English. English supports justice.
Why do musicians use English?
Musicians write lyrics in English. Concerts use English to connect. Fans around the world enjoy them. English makes music powerful.
Why is English important in diplomacy?
Diplomats meet often. They use English to talk. It makes agreements faster. English avoids fights. It builds friendship among nations.
How does English help in business meetings?
Meetings include many countries. English is the common language. Presentations are in English. Deals are signed in English. English builds success.
Why is English important for reading news?
World news is in English. It reaches people quickly. It helps them stay updated. News spreads fast in English. English connects people to the world.
Why is English important in fashion?
Fashion shows use English. Designers talk in English. Magazines write in English. Fashion spreads faster. English makes fashion global.